All right, this is A New Day Yesterday by Jethro Tull. This is going to be in 12/8, so we have like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that kind of feel. So this first riff is going to come in after the 3, so it's 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so it's like 3 and 4 and 1, and that's 5, 6, 7 on the E, 5, 6, 7 on the A. So we got 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so after the 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, we go. So da da da, 7 to 5 there, big 7, 5 on the D, and then we go back. Let's try it. Count it in one more time. So 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so you got 6 of those off the top of the song. Now, after you've done a few of those, you're going to have another riff where it does a chord here. And that's going to go over the top of the other one, like when the verse starts. So you got an E chord here, 7 on the A string with these 9s, muting the bottom string. I'm going to slide that down, and then... So these notes are out of your like E minor pentatonic scale. We got 14, 12 on the D. 14 on the A, 12 on the G, kind of hold that one, so it's 3 and 4 and dum 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 dum. Okay, when the verse starts, we're gonna have. Okay, so we start with the 7. And it's kind of faint, this next note, that one right there, it's kind of quieter, so it's like, it's kind of like the da-da-dum-dum, it's a little louder, so listen for that, so it's like. So what we did is we added the, after that 5, we go 8, 7, 5, 7, 3 on the E string, and then we start over again, so it's. So let's try that. 3 and 4 and that one can just go 8, 7, 5. Now our next part, we're gonna go A chord. And our strum there is like 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we go to the E chord. That's kind of like the bass note first. Then we're gonna go C, E again. Now we're going G, A, C. Back to that riff, right? So once again, we had A, 3 and 4 and Okay, so you got those working together for like 4 times, then you got a new verse, which will be. Whichever part you want to do, you know. But that one's going to hold that note, so the other one may be better to do the. And at the end of that, you got that. We're back into this A thing. 3 and 4 and Okay, back into that. Now we're going to get into, but we have 4 more times of that riff going on in there. Then we're going to get into the solo. So the solo is going to go. Right back into the riff. Okay, so we have 2 pull-offs, 14 to 12 in the D, and then a hammer. Got that 12 on the G, little slight bend coming back to that 14 on the D. So here we have a bend on the 14 on the G, 12, 12 going down, 15 on the second, back to 12, so it's... Here we have an up and down bend, 14 to a pull-off, back to that 14, to the 14 on the A. So it's... Then we're going to pop into this 12 in the D. So hammer on the A, hammer, D, 12 on the G, 14 on the A, and then... So hammer on pull-off here on the 12, 13, 12 on the A, 15, 12 on the E. So we got... Now we're going to have hammer, 12, 14 on the A, quick trill on the D string, trill on the G, and then we're going to bend the 14 up, 12, and then 15, pull off to it twice. Let's look at all this again. We got... Now this one's going to go bend and then hammer on pull off. Bend that 15 with a bit of vibrato. 12 here, and then 15 up and down. And then right at the end of that measure, we got this 14 here. That we're going to end with this. Okay, so. Okay, so that little 14 then. So this was both 12s, and then kind of just the highest one. 15, 12 in the second. Up and down on the 14. And this is a hammer-on pull-off with another 12 there. 14 on the A, so it's hammer on the D, 12s on the G and B, 14s down. So, real slow. Okay, then up to speed, it'd be like... Okay, and then I think you go through another verse up in there, another chorus thing. Now, when we get to the chords thing at the end of the song, we're going to have... So G to A, back to the riff. G again. Now the third time of this, C, we're going to hold that C, we're going to come back in with the riff. And down, da 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 dum, and then we're coming in with a E7 raised 9, 0, 7, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and you kind of hold that one out. Seems like they go back to an E power chord at the end there. So we got our riffs again. We got... we also have this other one. And then your verse gets into the... Does that like 3 times. 4th time you just end with... Get ready for the chords. That is A to E, and then C to E. Then you got your G to A to C. You're back into the riff. And then we have the solo. We get into those chords again before the end. Here's the G to A. Back to riff. G to A. Riff. Last time, G. We're gonna add a C on this one. And then we're back into the final chord. And then, well, possible final chord. E power chord there. All right, A New Day Yesterday from the second Jethro Tull album, Stand Up. That was the first song anybody heard Martin Barre play with Jethro Tull. Of course, he was on many of the greatest tunes Jethro Tull made. So anyway, we got tabs with this. Hope you all dig it. Have a good one.